Good morning, children. Let's proceed with question number 18 onwards. Question number 18. In a rhombus ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O. If cosine of angle CAB is 0.6 and OB is equal to 8 centimeter, find the length of the sides and the diagonals of the rhombus. So if you see the figure here, ABCD is a rhombus. Normally we draw the rhombus in this pattern to make it very sure that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect at right angles. It's a very important property of a rhombus which shows that you got a right triangle AOB, in which it's given that cosine of angle BAC, or I have marked it as theta, cos theta is equal to 0.6 means cos theta is equal to 6 by 10. Let's reduce it as 3 by 5. So by the rule, if in triangle AOB, if cos theta is 3 by 5, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, that means OA by AB is equal to 3 by 5. Let's take the side OA as 3K and the side AB as 5K. It is already given in the question that OB is equal to 8 centimeter. So let OA is equal to 3K, AB is equal to 5K and OB is equal to 8. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, or 25K the whole square. 25K square is equal to 9K square plus 64, that is 16K square is equal to 64. K square is equal to 4, or K is equal to 2, which shows that OA length is 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. AB length is 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. Now they are asking you to find the length of the side and diagonals of the rhombus. The length of the side. If you know the side AB as 10 centimeter, all sides will measure 10 centimeter. Then the word diagonals bisect. So since OB is equal to 8 centimeter, BD is equal to 16 centimeter, then OA is equal to 6 centimeter by substituting the value of K as 2. Immediately AC is equal to 12 centimeter. So the diagonal AC is 12, diagonal BD is 16, and all sides will measure 10 centimeter. That is question number 18. Question number 19. An isosceles triangle is given to you with the two sides. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is equal to 15 centimeter and BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Find the cos angle B. It's a very familiar question to you. If you draw the altitude AD, it will bisect the base, that is BD is equal to DC is equal to 9 centimeter. First you find out what is the length of AD as square root of 15 square minus 9 square, 225 minus 81, square root of 144, which is equal to 12 centimeter. And now you are asked to find out what is cos B. Cos B is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is 9 by 15, reduce it as 3 by 5. The next value of sin C. Sin C is equal to 12 by 15, reduce it as with 3, 4 by 5. You have to find the value of tan square B minus sec square B plus 2. Plus 2. Tan B. Tan B is the same as 12 by 9 the whole square minus sec b is the same as reciprocal of cos b. Cos b is 3 by 5. So 5 by 3 the whole square plus 2. Let's reduce here also as with 3. 4 by 3 the whole square so that the calculation will be easy. So it is 16 by 9 minus 25 by 9 plus 2 by 1. That means into 9 into 9. 18 by 9. So 16 plus 18 is 34 by 9 minus 25 by 9, which is equal to 9 by 9, or the answer is 1. Proceed with question number 20. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, sin B is equal to 8 by 10, BD is equal to 9 centimeter, tan C is equal to 1. Find the length of AB, AD, AC and DC. So let's proceed with the ratio. Sin B is equal to 8 by 10. Sin B is equal to 8 by 10. Reduce it as 4 by 5. So the opposite side, I have marked it as theta. Opposite to B is AD side is 4K and AB side is 5K. Let's use Pythagoras theorem. That is 5K the whole square is equal to 4K the whole square plus 9 square. 25K square minus 16K square is equal to 9 square. 25 minus 16. 9K square is equal to 81. K square is equal to 9, or K is equal to 3. Once you get the value of K, you can substitute the value. That means AB length is 15 centimeter. AD length is 12 centimeter. And tan C is equal to 1. Tan C is equal to 1. What's the meaning of tan C? AD by DC, that is AD by DC is equal to 1. AD value is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter by DC is equal to 1 means DC value is also 12 centimeter. So you got the value of AB as 15 centimeter, AD as 12 centimeter, then DC as 12 centimeter. Now you have to get the value of AC. We can find out by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, which is equal to 12 square plus 12 square, 288. 288 can be written as by 2 144, by 272, by 236, by 218, by 29, by 331. That means 2, 2, 3. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 root 2. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 288, which is the same as 12 root 2 centimeter. So, the value of AC is 12 root 2 centimeter. Question number 21. It is given that Q tan A is equal to P. You are asked to find out what is P sin A minus Q cos A by P sin A plus Q cos A. If you see the question, there is an easy way of working it out. From the given condition, tan A is equal to P by Q. So, the first method is you will take a triangle, you will plot angle A and you will find out the other side. Separately find out what is sin A, cos A and substitute. That also will give you a correct answer, but the easy method in this question is tan A ratio is always sin A by cos A. The denominator is cos A. So when you divide all terms with cos A, the workout will be simple. That means dividing all terms by cos A, P sin A by cos A minus Q cos A by cos A divided by P sin A by cos A plus Q cos A by cos A, which shows that this cos A gets cancelled and it will be left with P tan A minus Q by P tan A plus Q. Now you can substitute the value of tan A as P by Q. That is P into P by Q minus Q divided by P into P by Q plus Q, which is the same as P square by Q minus Q divided by P square by Q plus Q. By LCM, it is P square minus Q square by Q divided by P square plus Q square by Q, or by the multiplication reciprocal, P square minus Q square by Q into Q by P square plus Q square, or the final answer is P square minus Q square divided by P square plus Q square. So, when you have questions in this way, you can identify because the same terms will be given to you with an unlike sign. It will be easy for calculation purpose. Let's go with question number 22. Given that sin A is equal to cos A, what is the meaning of that? If you make it as a ratio, sin A by cos A is equal to 1. And what is sin A by cos A? Tan A is equal to 1. So when you plot a triangle, angle A as the acute angle, tan A is equal to 1 means BC by AB is equal to 1, or you can find AC as square root of 1k the whole square, 1k the whole square, which is equal to square root 2 or root 2k. And substituting in 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5, 2 into tan A is 1, so tan square A is 1 square minus 2 into sec A. Sec is a reciprocal of cos A. Cos A is 1 by root 2 or sec A is root 2 by 1. So root 2 the whole square plus 5. That is 2 minus root 2 the whole square is 2. So 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So 2 plus 5, 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. That is question number 22. Question number 23. In rectangle ABCD, diagonal BD is equal to 26 cm and cotangent of angle ABD. I plotted as theta 1.5. Find the area and perimeter of the rectangle ABCD. That means cot theta is equal to 1.5. Cot theta is equal to 15 by 10. Let's reduce with 5. It is 3 by 2. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Tan theta means AD length is 2k and AB length is 3k. So, by Pythagoras theorem, 26 square is equal to 2k the whole square plus 3k the whole square, or 26 square is equal to 4k square plus 9k square. 13k square is equal to 26 into 26. K square is equal to 26 into 26 by 13. It is 2, or k square is equal to 2 into 13. K value is, this for easy purpose, 13. It is 2 root 13 centimeter. That means K value is 2 root 13 centimeter. Let's find out what is 2K. 2K is 2 into 2 root 13, which is the same as 4 root 13, and 3K is the same as 3 into 2 root 13, which is equal to 6 root 13. The value, or the sides measure. AB length is 6 root 13 centimeter. Then AD measure is equal to 4 root 13 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area as well as the perimeter of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is 3k, which shows that 6 root 13 into 4 root 13. 6 into 4 is 24. root 13 into root 13 is 13, or what is 24 into 13? 4 3s are 12, 7, 4, 2. It is the same as 312 centimeter square. And now what is the area of the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length value is 6 root 13 plus 4 root 13. It is 10 root 13 into 2, or it is 20 root 13 centimeter. Perimeter is 20 root 13 centimeter. Area is 312 centimeter square. Question number 24. 2 sin x is equal to root 3. Evaluate. 4 sin cubed x minus 3 sin x. 3 cos x minus 4 cos cubed x. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. We will prepare a triangle. Take it as x here. Sin x is equal to root 3 means the opposite side is root 3k and the hypotenuse is 2k. Immediately we can find out the base as square root of 2q the whole square, 2k the whole square, minus root 3k the whole square, square root of 4k square minus 3k square, square root of 1k square, or it is the same as 1k. It is 1k. Evaluate 4 sin cubed x. 4 into sin cubed x, which is root 3 by 2 the whole cubed, minus 3 into sin x. Sin x is root 3 by 2 again, which is 4 into root 3 cubed is 3 root 3 divided by 2 cubed is 8 minus 3 root 3 by 2, or 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, the answer is 0. The second one is 3 cos x. 3 into cos x. Cos x is 1 by 2 minus 4 into cos cubed x, that is 1 by 2 the whole cubed, which is 3 by 2 minus 4 by 2 cubed is 8. This is 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Question number 25. Sin A is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos B is equal to root 3 by 2. The given question itself is giving you a clear understanding that it should be two different triangles A, B, C. Sin A is equal to root 3 by 2 means this opposite side is root 3k, 2k, and the side AB will be root 3k, 2k the whole square minus root 3k the whole square, which is equal to 4k square minus 3k square, which is equal to 1k square, or AB is equal to 1k. Similarly, cos B is given. Let's take this angle as B. Cos B is equal to root 3 means here it is root 3k, 2k, as here will become 1k. And now let's substitute tan A minus tan B. From here, therefore, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A value will be root 3 by 1 or root 3 minus tan B. Tan B will be 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. Root 3 into 1 by, this gets cancelled, or by LCM, 3 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means 2 by 1, which is the same as 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2, or 1 by root 3. So the answer is 1 by root 3. It's an important question. Question number 26. Using the given information, find the value of 10 by sin x plus 6 by sin y minus 6 cot y. So the first method, the first concept is to find out the remaining length here. So let's get what is DC as. DC is equal to square root of AC square minus AD square, which is equal to square root of 20 square minus 12 square, which is square root of 400 minus 144, it is 256, or which is the same as 16. So the length of DC is we obtained as 16. So the remaining length of BD as 21 minus 16, which is equal to 5. So AB can be found out as square root of 12 square plus 5 square. It is 149 plus 25, 169, which is equal to 30. So you got the length of all the sides which are required. Now substitute the values. 10 by sine x is the same as 5 by 13 plus 6 by sine y is the same as 12 by 20 minus 6 cot y. Cot y is the reciprocal of tan y. Tan y is 12 by 16, or cot is 16 by 12 into 16 by 12. Let's take the reciprocal as 10 into 13 by 5 plus, this can be reduced with 4, as 4 3s are and 4 5s are, which is the same as 6 into 5 by 3 minus 16 by 2 is 8. Now 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, that means 26 plus 10 minus 8. 36 minus 8, which is equal to 28. The next is question number 27. Sec A is equal to square root 2. Immediately cos A is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos is AB by AC is root 2k. Find out BC as square root of root 2k the whole square minus 1k the whole square, 2k square minus 1k square, which is equal to 1k. Let's find out what is the question here. 3 into cot square A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Tan is 1, so cot is also 1. 1 square plus 2 into sin square A. Sin square A is 1 by root 2 the whole square divided by tan square A 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 3 plus 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, or 4 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 8. Question number 28. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5, which is the same as 3k by 5k, and this side will be 4k. And now cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, that is equal to sin theta is 4 by 5, so cosec theta is 5 by 4 minus cot theta is reciprocal of tan. Tan is 4 by 3, so cot is 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 2 by 4 divided by 8 by 4. 2 by 4 into 4 by 8. 2 by 8 is the same as 1 by 4. These are all the questions related with the previous exercise also. Question number 29. Mark it as important, and all these questions are similar ones as we have done, but it is very important regarding this tan A, cot A, all these sums are very important. Cosec A plus sin A is equal to 5 and 1 by 5. Find the value of cosec square A plus sin square A. To get this value, you have to square both sides of the given expression. That is, cosec A plus sin A is the same as 5 and 1 by 5. Squaring on both sides. Cosec A plus sin A the whole square is equal to 26 by 5 the whole square Or if you expand like a plus b whole square, cosec square a plus 2 cosec a sin a plus sin square a is equal to, let's write it as 26 into 26 by 5 into 5, or cosec square a plus 2 cosec is 1 by sin a into sin a plus sin square a is equal to 26 square by 5 square, or cosec square a plus sin square a is equal to 26 square by 5 square minus 2. You have to calculate as 26 square is 676 by 25 minus 2, or 676 minus 50 by 25. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2. 626 by 25. That's the answer of cosec square a plus sin square a. It's a similar pattern we have done. 5 cos theta is equal to 6 sin theta will give you cos theta by sin theta, or cos theta you arrange as cos theta by sin theta is equal to, along with cos theta 5, it is 6 by 5, that is cot theta is equal to 6 by 5, or tan theta is equal to 5 by 6. So the first answer is tan theta is equal to 5 by 6. From the first step itself, you can arrange sin theta by cos theta or any of these method. Now, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So divide each term by cos theta. It shows that 12 sin theta by cos theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta divided by 12 sin theta by cos theta plus 3 cos theta by cos theta, which is 12 tan theta minus 3 by 12 tan theta plus 3. The value of tan theta is 5 by 6. 12 into 5 by 6 minus 3 by 12 into 5 by 6 plus 3. 10 minus 3 by 10 plus 3, or the answer is 7 by 13. Similarly, tan A is equal to, it will become 5 by 6. Divide by each term, 3 sin A by cos A minus cos A by cos A divided by 5 cos A by cos A plus 9 sin A by cos A. Substitution will be 3 tan A. So 3 into 5 by 6 minus 1 divided by 5 plus 9 into 5 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 divided by 5 plus with 3. 3 3s are and 3 2s are. That is 15 by 2. 5 minus 2 by 2. 5 minus 2 by 2 divided by 10 plus 15 by 2, which is the same as 3 by 2 into 2 by 25, or the answer is 3 by 25. Similar one, next one, cot A is equal to 3 by 2. Cot is cos by sin. So divide each term by sin. So it will become 5 sin A by sin A minus 2 cos A by sin A divided by 6 cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A. Reverse way also you can do if you write tan A as 2 by 3. Both the methods you can choose. That is 5 minus 2 cot A divided by 6 cot A plus 1. 5 minus 2 into 3 by 2 divided by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1. 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 9 plus 1 10, or the final answer is 1 by 5. This completes exercise 27b as well as the complete lesson, chapter 27, trigonometric ratios.